Okay guys, I'm going to go through how to make formula for a baby bird. I've got a small container here. Put a little bit of water in a bowl. Nuke it for a few seconds. It loses its heat once you start heating it up, or once you start mixing it up with the formula. So I usually pull it out. Okay. What I've got here are 3 ml pipettes. You can see the 3 there. And then I use Katie exact hand feeding formula, but I use my 3 ml pipette and I grab 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Got a little bit of formula left over right here. I grab 1 spoon. And I actually mix mine with my pipette. Now this formula thickens up as it sits and starts to cool a little bit. You want the consistency to be a little thicker than pancake batter. I'll show you. So that's what it looks like now. And in a couple minutes I'll show you what it looks like. Let's go get Cheeky Baby. Here she is in her little cage. Hi, Cheeky Baby. You hungry? She's learned how to perch finally. And she's got some pellets in there. Some of them are soaked in water, some of them are just hard. She's got a little millet seed in there too. Come here, up. I always tell her up, up, up. We're still working on it. Up. Good bird. Good bird. Who's a good cheeky? Who's a good cheeky bird? Yes, you are. Let's set down right here. And I will get this, put it back on here. Okay. And this is how you feed her. Oh, I forgot a napkin. She's very messy, so I want to grab a napkin. Hi, sweetheart. Come here. Up. Good job. Kisses. Who's a good bird? You hungry? Oh, yeah. She's hungry. And this is thickened up nicely. If you look, can you see it? You want your formula to be warm but not hot. And then I hold onto her and then very slowly squeeze this in her mouth. She's very messy, so it starts pouring out both sides. Was that good? Yummy. Hey, sweetie. Yeah, go potty. Okay, you go potty and then come back. Don't potty on her tablet. Okay, come here. She always wants to climb me after she's had 2. So I have to encourage her to eat more because we're not eating every 4 hours anymore. She was eating every 4 hours at 4 weeks old, but now at 5 weeks old, she's eating just 3 times a day. And she likes to try to climb me every time. She's insistent. Just let her. Clean her mouth off and let her. Give her a break between syringes. Come here. Good job. I know. Good bird. Food. Remember? We're eating. Good job. And she's going to climb me again, so I try to wipe her mouth off every time she is done with a pipette because she climbs me. She's getting good at that. Nope, not climbing yet. Let's eat. Her crop is starting to get bigger, you can see here. That was 4 syringes so far. So far that is 12 mLs. Normally I can only get 5 syringes in there. That's 15 mLs. She's not an overeater, which is good because Quakers are prone to overeating. But she's a good girl. She doesn't overeat. In fact, she'd be done with 3 if you'd let her, but then she'd be too hungry by her next meal. Good girl. You're making a mess. Okay, she's gonna climb me again. I don't like to wear the formula, so that's why I just wipe her off. Okay, last one. You want number 6? Come here. You done? All done? Let's see if you'll eat number 6. Okay, good bird. So she ate a lot for this meal. She was very hungry. Her crop is very full now. You can feel it, it feels like a bubble. And she is all full. That's 6 mLs times 3, that's 18. She's a messy bird. But that's how you feed a baby bird. She's 5 weeks old. Ooh! And she's starting to flap her wings and jump on people. Come here, sweetheart. But yeah, to recap, that's 18 mLs at 5 weeks old, 3 times a day, and here in a couple days she'll be switching to just 2 times a day at 6 weeks old. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it.